Hi, good morning, Happy New Year, Happy 2026. Kung ano man yung goals mo this year, maybe gusto mong maging mas confident, gusto mong magkapera, gusto mong yumaman, umasenso, ma-promote, or gusto mong ma-in love and maging mas healthy, kung ano man yung goal mo this 2026, remember na you have to feel and act as if nakuha mo na siya. Okay? So, ulitin ko lang, you have to feel and act as if nakuha mo na siya. Kailangan talaga ma-feel mo na nandyan dumating na yung pera, dumating na yung love life mo, right? Dumating na yung health mo. Kasi our thoughts and emotions create a feeling, and this feeling creates a vibration, right? And this vibration, yung frequency mo, yung vibe mo, yan yung pinapadala mo sa universe. Yan yung signal na pinapadala mo sa universe na ready ka na. Ready ka na maging successful. Ready ka na mag-level up. Ready ka na ma-in love and maging healthy sa buhay. And so, super importante to, no? Para dumating yung mga tao, yung mga circumstances, ma-attract mo yung mga opportunities para ma-achieve mo yung mga goals mo. Ang hirap sa mga Pilipino pag may nakita tayo na medyo nag-feeling, no? Kahit ako guilty ako dito eh. Pag may nakita tayo sa medyo nag-feeling na parang naisip natin, ang feeling naman niya, pinipintasan natin sila, no? Hinihila natin sila pababa. Classic crab mentality talaga. So, this 2026, huwag kang mahiyang mag-feeling, no? Kung titingnan mo yung mga successful sa society natin, yung mga artista, yung mga entrepreneurs, feel talaga nila yung career nila. Feel talaga nila yung success nila. And you have to do the same for yourself. This year, 2026, huwag kang mahiyang mag-feeling. You have to feel your success. You have to feel successful right now. You have to feel confident right now. If you want to be in love, you have to feel in love right now. Ito talaga yung power of gratitude, no? You have to feel grateful na yan na, dumating na yung pera. You have to feel grateful na yan na, dumating na yung love life mo. Yun lang guys, be grateful, be happy, and stay positive. And I wish you all the best this 2026. Happy New Year!